Eretwe ni OCPD Ambrose Charu ni bezite amwe na endwa bao gukungwira thigunku kinya kethira ni akurukire bobo ni kwithirwa kagita ka thigunku batona kanya gakega ka gukungwira kumania na kurikithio karia muthurumuri ukini akujirite mamburaja.
Nyuma kutha batonete ruthara ugita kungwira thigunku ya Christmas ni mwaka mweru nandi polisi batongete no spindi ya mutiro kangangi ibejete amwe na kuthia thigunku yao ikenda bomba kungwira amwe na biashara na kanisa na minya thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru.
It is good to note that this Thanksgiving party or India party would not have been marked during the festive season simply because our officers were very busy. With me here, we have what we call the background of community policy.
Nimefurahi sana kujumuika na officers hapa tukiwa hapo Meru Police Canteen ndio tuweze kusherehekea pamoja. Vile tumeambiwa hii sherehe imekuwa delayed kwa sababu ya officers wakiwa kazi wakati ya Christmas na New Year. Security imekuwa sawa hapa Meru. So again kujumuika na kuwashukuru officers ya kazi mzuri ile inafanyika pandi hapa kwetu.
Mbere pongezi sana nonto bwa relationship rere o indongi between the national government and the county government led by Reverend Botuma as the governor of Meru. Very good working relationship. And we take with that kutangamana wibo tomete nyakomba gutwika most of the things about the security which mono national government yomba gomba gutekereza yomba gukinya uwire
na kila nari kina bata kagita gaka ni gutigira ati mwingi jogwatana na askari ne kenda gutigira ati kinyokaria bokutha bokirikithwa nkoroki
pomba kuria twende in the same spirit at the same time be the community ya twanto beto bonde ba Meru generally tiba mutindo aja aki that is important kulitaria kugina thirikari tira ya zamani leo muono kamatuka. Hapana, na ndi askari ni rafiki yako, mzaindie iweze kufanya kazi kaenda komba gutuka ni auto komba kwitha tukendeliva
na irion kuga Psalms 127 yeriuga njairia etikaritwe imurungu ni utheri baria bakaragia na itugwatanirite na ofisa betu bokaria na turi nthumba cia mwathani twaromba mantu jau jonthe tukona thiri ndene ya county yetu ya Meru.
Now with this strong team behind me and the officers seated there, I can only assure you our security within the CBD and its environs, it is guaranteed.
Na tunaomba Mwenyezi Mungu 2026 tulinde tukienda mbele.
Kazi tunafanya pamoja, tunakubaliana, hata issue ikiweko especially kama sekta boda ni sekta ambao ni ngumu sana kwa area zingine, lakini ukikuja kama Meru County imekuwa rahisi sana, especially kama CBD hapa ambao tunakaa Mount North imekuwa rahisi sana.
Murumurioki, Boro TV, Mutiro Kanga.